Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will discuss the alternate view. The alternate view is located within the client profile and allows you to view and enter info using questionnaires we have available. Additionally, with the addition of custom intake forms, you can create an intake form and fill it out using the alternate view. To access the alternate view, you must first locate a client profile. Proceed to click on the clients and contacts from the home page. Proceed to search for a client. Once found, click on the Edit Open button to take you into the client's profile. Once inside the client profile, locate the Alternate View button on the tabs to the right and click on it. You will now see a drop-down list. From here, select the questionnaire or intake sheet you wish to see. Once you select the questionnaire, you are now inside and can start filling out the questionnaire for the client. Once completing the questionnaire, click on Save. And once exiting the questionnaire, the client profile has now updated with the info you just entered. This concludes our video on the alternate view.